Hello everyone, in this video I will be talking about what is form in HTML and what is form attributes. Form attributes like action, method, target, and finally I want to talk about autocomplete attribute. If you are new here, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. HTML form is used to collect the user input. The user input is most often sent to the server for processing. An HTML form starts with form tag. Inside the form tag, we have the input tag. Input tag it is used for getting input from the user. An input tag has the type attribute. Type attribute specifies the type of our input, which input we should enter first text. The text specifies the user should input one line string, and below I write the PR because I want to came in the another line, another password. Password type it is used to enter a password or get password from the user. Submit. Submit type it is used when we want to send information to the server. We use from the submit type. And every input tag should have the label tag. Label tag help user who has difficult clicking on very small region, for example on the checkbox or radio button. For example, if we write label and inside the label I write the name, if we click on the name don't occur anything because the label has the four attribute. Four attribute connect the label to the input element. An input element should have ID. The value of ID and for element should be the same. Now if we click on a name, that automatically focus this input field because this label they connect to this input field. Also drop it inside the div tag. Now I write label for password for pass ID equal to pass, and now you can see there is the input field. Any text I want I can write it 1 2 3 for password. If I submit it, that becomes submit. Input tag has several attributes. First is action. Action attribute specifies the destination for the form data, and another attribute is the method. Method is defined the HTTP method, and method has two popular value. First is the get. If we send data by get method, our data pin in this URL, and it is not good for sending sensitive data because that shows in the URL. Another popular method is the post method. If user sends data with post method, they don't show in the URL. It is a good method for sending sensitive method to the server. Another attribute is autocomplete. Autocomplete has two values, on, off. If autocomplete is on, the user entered a value automatically completed. Another attribute is the target attribute. Target attribute they determine where our data should shows when our data return from the server. If we write self, our data shows in the current page. If we write it blank, our data that shows in the next page. If you find this video helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.